Can I assign a task to an external member in my chat space? So chat spaces are pretty interesting. Google's created the ability to attach files, the ability to set up tasks, and those tasks actually appear on your My Tasks list. When you go to Google Tasks, and you can find them in a few different places, they're attached to the calendar, they show up in the sidebar. They're now announcing that they're rolling out tasks.google.com, so you can go there in a dedicated window, and of course you can access them on the mobile app as well. Now, collaborating on tasks with someone who's outside your business is a little bit challenging still. Google haven't technically given us a way to share task lists from the Tasks app, which sucks because you used to be able to do that with the old shopping list app, which is where the tech came from. And you could also do it with a shared note in Google Keep in the past. But alas, Google's not yet brought that into Google Tasks, except there's a secret where you can actually do this. Now, it's a little bit janky right now, but in the meantime, if you're looking to set up tasks and share them with someone, well, this is a pretty cool way of doing it. So I may as well just check if tasks.google.com is live, because I am curious if it is. Hey, there we go. Okay, so they've now created a dedicated tasks.google.com. I'm going to check if there's a share button. No, there's still not a share button here. So these are still tasks only for me. So let's go to our workaround. So if you want to create tasks and share them with someone who's outside your company, you need to do that from Google Chat. So I'm going to open up my mail first, and then I'm going to go into my chat space here. There used to be a way to do like a dedicated chat window. Let's see if this works. There we go. Okay. So it's mail.google.com/chat, and that will give you a dedicated chat window. All right, so from this dedicated chat window, you can see I've got a few spaces set up, which are my individual chat rooms, but Google calls them spaces. And when I create a new space, I click on the new chat button here and then create a space. From here, there's something very important I have to do, which is to tick allow external members to join. Now, if I don't tick this when I'm setting up the space, I can't change it later. And that is a bit of a bummer. Google allow you to change many things after the fact, but this is one of those ones you've got to get right. So if you've got a shared space right now and you want to add a new member into that shared space, unfortunately, it's not possible. Anyway, so let's make sure that we've got that ticked. We're going to choose collaboration for our space type rather than announcements type. And I'm going to call this shopping because the most appropriate or the most likely reason that we're going to be creating a shared list with someone is probably going to be a shopping list. Let's find a good, there we go, shopping cart emoji. All right, so I'm going to create my shared room here. Now, I mentioned earlier that you can create a task inside a space, and that means that someone who is external to business can also see the task and effectively becomes a shared task list. Isn't that clever? So from here, we've got our shopping space, and inside the space, we obviously have chat, right? And so we can chat away, and everyone who's in that space will be able to see that. But I can also create a task and share tasks with others. Now, before I create a task, of course, I need to add some other people to my space. So let's go ahead and invite someone to my space. I'm going to go to my settings here, go to manage members, and I'm going to invite someone. And let's perhaps invite my production account. It warns me, ooh, someone outside the business. All right. Okay, they were invited, but okay, perfect, cool. All right, so they're showing up there. Great. And I'll also go and join that space. Let's go and find where that space is. So browse spaces, and hopefully it'll show up. Internal and external spaces. Okay, maybe I got to check my email because sometimes you got to go to your email. There we go. Okay, cool. So I'll open the invitation here. I'm going to go ahead and join. Wonderful. Okay, so this is my main account. and I can even send a message there, and it's going to take me into the new space. Okay, great. So here in my space, I'm going to create some tasks, and let's create some shopping tasks. So I can say bread, hopefully gluten-free, eggs, milk, steak. All right, cool. And if you really wanted to, you could add a date and time, probably not necessary. If you want to, you can assign someone who is going to do that task. Now, oddly, it's not showing me the other user. Let's say I want to assign it to somebody else. See if the other user shows up. I'm pretty sure you can assign to external. Maybe I need to refresh the list for that to work. Let's go to my tasks. You'll see in the chat, when you create a task, they start showing up in the chat, which is, kind of nice. I guess a notification system of sorts. And then tasks here, if I want, I can assign it. There we go. Just needed a refresh. So I can also assign that to another person. Oh boy, it didn't like that. Is that a bug? Okay. I don't know if you can assign it to an external user. All right, let's try one more time. Oh, no, seemed to drop off. Okay, well, that's interesting. I don't know if that's an interface bug or if it won't assign to an external user. It's possible that because Google has not designed tasks to be collaborative yet, it's not working because I'm trying to assign the task to someone who's outside the system. Now, regardless, it doesn't really matter too much because the other person will be able to see all of these tasks when they log in and look at the task list, even though they're outside the company. So I can go to my task list here. So I'm logged into my primary account. You can see all of the notifications here coming through when the tasks are set up. And then if I go to the task list, even from the external user, I will be able to see all of the tasks. Oh my God, don't bug out on me, Google. Oh boy. Maybe it just needs a refresh. It's a bit of a bummer at the moment that Google doesn't really let you do external tasks out of the box. This workaround has been working fine for me. I don't know why it's not working tonight. It is saying here there was a problem loading tasks. Please try again in a few minutes.
Hey, look here, it's working. I tried a different account for this and it turns out I just need to refresh and wait for Sometimes you just need to give Google some time to process. Now, as you can see here from the main account, you can assign an external account for the task, and it's also visible from the external account as well. How cool is that?
If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.